Well, good evening to you. Cloud cover across much of the area and occasional rain as well. We've been tracking these showers, starting to see more and more of them over the far eastern counties. Those developed around Topeka and Emporia during the afternoon and pushing away to the east now through Ottawa, just east of Lawrence over to Kansas City. And then to the west, we've had a very persistent area of light rain that is now starting to break apart. We're seeing large areas where it's not raining to the west as that rain band really falling apart. Showers to the east and to the southeast from just to north of the Waverly area, near Melbourne, southeast of Quinamo, on up to Baldwin City and southeast of Lawrence, on up through Eudora to the Olathe and Kansas City areas. Those showers are moving out, and you can see the rain still on the Lens, but it has now stopped raining from our Overbrook cam there in eastern Osage County. Mostly cloudy, 65 now in Topeka. Picked up 0.13 of an inch of that afternoon rainfall as those showers move through. North winds at 12 miles per hour. Dipped down to a daytime low of 64 after an overnight high of 83 degrees, and the dry air is still moving in. So it's cooled off, but it hasn't completely gotten rid of the humidity just yet. Temperatures across much of the area in the low to mid 60s, still 70 at Burlington, down to 59 already at Clay Center. And those northerly winds still ushering in drier and drier air throughout the evening and on into tonight. That's going to be an important part of how we end the night because drier air cools off more. We've got cloud cover, and that would hold temperatures up for a while tonight and will. But notice this band of rain is fizzling. Even though there's a lot down to the southwest, it is not going to refill this band in. So that'll stay to the south. And we're tracking the end of the rain with clearing skies over Nebraska. FUTURETRACK shows that fizzling out of the showers through the evening. Sprinkles, light rain, certainly a possibility, but no washout for Friday night games. We'll gradually see that trend of rain south of the area and a beautiful day on your Saturday. As far as the temperatures are concerned, well, we'll be in the upper 40s to low 50s north, mid to upper 50s across the southern half of the area, and this is tomorrow morning. By tomorrow midday, near 70, and on up into the mid 70s late in the day tomorrow. We'll fall into the low 50s, if not a few upper 40s Sunday morning, and then top out in the mid to upper 70s on Sunday. But we've been telling you about a big cool down that's on the way. By the time we're into early next week, we actually rebound a little bit, well into the 80s, Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday with some rain chances. But watch this big push of cooler air. Thursday, just starting to get into the area, and even more so into Friday of next week. So a big cool down, unseasonably cool weather. Keep in mind the average high this time of year is in the 80s. So we're talking about well below average temperatures late next week. Some chilly air Thursday and especially noticeable by the time we're into Friday of next week. Tonight we drop down to 56 as we clear overnight with those north breezes, topping out tomorrow in the mid 70s. Look for a high in the upper 70s on Sunday. Late Monday through Wednesday, a chance for showers and storms with highs in the 80s. And then look at the cool down. 65 for a high Thursday, 62 for a high on Friday with nighttime lows in the 40s and 50s by the end of next week. Some nice chilly air will be coming our way for late next week as well. There's some sunflowers in Marysville. That photo in from Carol Blocker. Also a beautiful sunrise at Mayetta from Judy Penfield. And a look at some of the clouds today at Overbrook, just ahead of that rain from Gary Hoffsummer.
60s highs? You sure those aren't lows? Those are highs, right?
I should say that some of the models say that may be on the warm side, but I don't think we'll see highs in the 50s. I think the highs will stay in the low 60s, but that is still quite chilly.
Yeah,
that's
it
20
is.
to 25 degrees below average.
And you say that with a smile.
I'm enjoying it. I love it. I think
it does feel nice.
The weather nice is nice outside with this cool air even now.
Yeah. Thanks, Matt. Well,